So we'll multiply equation 1 by 5. So it becomes 5x. We'll multiply 5 with y. So plus 5y is equal to 5 4 is 20. We'll mark this equation as equation number 3. Okay. Now we'll add equation 3 and 2. Our equation number 3 is 5x plus 5y is equal to 20, plus equation number 2 is 2x minus 5y is equal to 1. Now here plus 5y and minus 5y get cancelled. We'll add 5x plus 2x, that is becomes 7, and 20 plus 1 is 21. Now we have got 7x is equal to 21. We'll take this 7 towards right hand side, so it divides. Here it's in multiplication form. So x is equal to 21 upon 7. We'll simplify this. 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21. So x is equal to 3. Now we have got value of x, that is 3. Now we'll substitute this value into the equation number 1. Our equation number 1 is x plus y is equal to 4. Here x is 3 plus y is equal to 4. Now this 3 becomes minus here towards right hand side. So y is equal to 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So we have got value of y as 1. This is our solution for given equation. That is xy is equal to 3 and 1. This is our solution. Just go through the solution once. Okay, we'll move towards second example. That is 2x plus y is equal to 5. Equation number 1 we mark, and second is 3x minus y is equal to 5. That is our equation number 2. Now here we can eliminate y. Okay, so no need to multiply any equation with any number. So we'll add equation 1 and 2 here. So it becomes 2x plus y is equal to 5 plus 3x minus y is equal to 5. Now here we can eliminate y. Plus y minus y get cancelled. 2x plus 3x becomes 5x is equal to 5 plus 5 becomes 10. Now we are having 5x is equal to 10. Now this 5 multiply here towards right hand side. We can simplify this number. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. Now we have got value of x as 2. We'll put this value into equation number 1, so that we'll get value of y. Substitute x is equal to 2 in equation number 1. Our equation number 1 is 2x plus y is equal to 5. Here we'll put value of x as 2. So 2 into 2 plus y is equal to 5. 2 to the 4 plus y is equal to 5. Now this 4 is plus form. It becomes minus towards right hand side. So y is equal to 5 minus 4. So we'll get value of y as 5 minus 4 becomes 1. That is the value of y. So the solution of the given equation is, that is value of x and y is 2 and 1. Just go through this solution, very easy it is. We'll take third example. Three x minus 5y is equal to 16 and x minus 3y is equal to 8. Here we'll multiply equation 2 by 3. So this equation becomes 3 into x is 3x minus 3 into 3y is 3 3 is a 9y and 8 3 is a 24. This is our equation number 3 we have got. I will subtract equation 3 from equation number 1. So equation number 3 minus equation number 1 minus 3. Our third equation is, first equation is 3x minus 5y is equal to 16 minus 3x minus 9y is equal to 24. Now here 3x plus and minus 3x get cancelled. This minus 5y plus 9 plus minus 9y, it becomes 4y is equal to this 16 minus 24 becomes minus 8. Now we have got 4y is equal to minus 8, that is y is equal to minus 8 upon 4. This 4 becomes divide here towards right hand side. We can simplify this. 4 1 is 4 and 4 2 is 8. So we have got value of y as minus 2. Now we'll put this value into the equation number 1. So substitute y is equal to minus 2 in equation number 2. What is our equation number 2? X minus 3y is equal to 8. X minus 3, value of y is minus 2 is equal to 8. Now x minus 3 to the 6. That is minus minus becomes plus. So we'll write x plus 6 is equal to 8. Now here this 6 will take towards right hand side. So it becomes x is equal to 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. Okay, now we have got value of x. This is our solution of the given equations, that is values of x and y as 2 and -2. Just go through the solution. We'll take next example, that is fourth example. 2y minus x is equal to 0 is equation number 1, and 10x plus 15y is equal to 105 is equation number 2. It is given into the example. Now we'll divide equation number 2 by 5. We'll divide both the sides of the equation number 2. By 5. So it becomes 5x plus, 2x plus, we'll divide 15 by 5. So it becomes 3y is equal to 105 becomes 5 2s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. That is 2x plus 3y is equal to 21. This is our equation number 3. Now we'll multiply equation 1 by 2. So this equation becomes 2 2s are 4, y minus 2x is equal to 0 into 2 becomes 0. This equation we can write as minus 2x plus 4y is equal to 0. So this is our equation number 4. Now we'll add equation 3 and 4. So it becomes 2x plus 3y is equal to 21 and minus 2x plus 4y is equal to 0. We are adding this. So plus 2x and minus 2x gets cancelled. 3y plus 4y is 7y and 21 plus 0 is 21. We have got 7y is equal to 21. Now this 7 is in multiplication form. It will divide towards right hand side. So y is equal to 21 upon 7. We can simplify this. 7 1s are 7 and 7 3s are 21. So we have got value of y as 3. Now we'll put this value into the equation number 1. Substitute y is equal to 3 in equation number 1. Our equation number 1 is 2y minus x is equal to 0. That is 2 into 3 minus x is equal to 0. 3 to the 6 minus x is equal to 0. Okay. This plus versus becomes minus here. So minus x is equal to minus 6. We'll write x is equal to 6. So we have got value of x as 6. This is the solution of given equation. That is value of x and value of y as 6 and 3. Just to go through the solution. We'll take next example, fifth one. 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. And x minus 5y is equal to 11. That is equation number 2. Now here we can write this equation as 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 4. This is our equation number 1. Okay, now we'll multiply equation 2 by 2. So it becomes 2x minus 5y into 2 becomes 10y is equal to 11 to the 20. Okay, this is our equation number 3. Now we subtract equation 3 from 1. So 1 minus 3. Our equation number 1 is 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 4 minus 2x minus 10y is equal to 22. This plus 2x and minus 2x gets cancelled. This 3y, this minus minus becomes plus here. So 10 plus 3, 13y is equal to minus 4 minus 22 becomes minus 26. Now this 13 divides towards right hand side, minus 26 upon 13. We can simplify this, 13 to the 26. So y is equal to minus 2. We have got value of y as minus 2. Now we'll put this value into the equation number 1. So substitute y is equal to minus 2 in equation 2. Equation 2 is x minus 5y is equal to 11. X minus 5, value of y is minus 2 is equal to 11. Here 5 2s are 10, minus 5 minus 2 becomes plus, so 5 2s are 10 becomes plus 10. Now we have got x plus 10 is equal to 11. This plus 10 becomes minus towards right hand side. So we'll write x is equal to 11 minus 10. 11 minus 10 is 1. So we have got value of y as 1. This is the solution of the given equation. That is values of x and y as 1 and minus 2. Just to go through the solution. Sixth example of question number 3. First equation given, that is 2x minus 7y is equal to 7, and second is 3x plus y is equal to 22. This is our second equation. Now we'll multiply equation number 2 by 7. So it becomes 7 multiplied by 3x, that is 21x, plus 7 into y, 7y is equal to 22 into 7 becomes 154. This is our equation number 3. Now we'll add equation 1 and 2. Sorry, 1 and 3. Our equation number 1 is 2x minus 7y is equal to 7 plus 21x plus 7y is equal to 154. Now here minus 7y and plus 7y cancel. 2x plus 21x becomes 23x, and 154 plus 7 becomes 161. Now this 23 divides towards right hand side. We can simplify this. 23 7s are 161. So x is equal to 7. We have got value of x as 7. We'll put this value of x into the equation number 1. So substitute x is equal to 7 in equation number 1. Our equation number 1 is 2x minus 7y is equal to 7. 2 into value of x is 7 minus 7y is equal to 7. 7 2s are 14 minus 7y is equal to 7. Now this plus 14 becomes minus towards right hand side. So minus 7y is equal to 7 minus 14. 7 minus 14 is minus 7. Here we are having minus 7y. This minus 7 divides towards right hand side. So y is equal to minus 7 upon minus 7. So y is equal to, we can simplify this, 7 ones are 7. This minus minus becomes plus. We'll get value of y as 1. Okay, this is the solution of the given equation. That is value of x and y as 7 and 1. Just go through the solution. Okay, we have completed with practice set 5.1. Now we'll take word problems based on simultaneous equations. You can take out your textbook, page number 86. There are some steps to be followed for solving word problems based on simultaneous equation. First, we have to read the given word problem and try to understand it, because what is to be given into the example that we need to understand. From given information, we have to use proper variables. For example, here it is said that sum of two numbers is 36. If 9 is subtracted from 8 times the first number, we get second number. Find the numbers. So here we need to consider first number and second number as any variable. Here first number is as x and second number as y. Now from the mathematical statement, we have to form the variables. Okay, we have to take these variables and we have to form the mathematical expressions, that is simultaneous equations, so that we'll get the values and x and y. That will be our answer we have considered earlier into the exam. We have to use the suitable method. We have to find out the solution. We have to subtract or add the given equations. We will get values of x and y. Okay, if that we have to check whether our values are correct or not. We have to substitute those values into the expressions we have got. Okay, so that we becomes know that whether our values are right or wrong. Okay, in this way we have to follow different steps. We have to read out the problem properly, silently. We have to read out the problem. We have to understand it, what is said into the example. Then we have to decide the variables. We have to form the mathematical expressions after deciding variables by using the given data. Then we have to use suitable method for the algebraic expressions, so that we'll get the values of the variables we have decided, and those values we have to put into the expressions we have formed to check whether our values are correct or not. Now these word problems, they are based on ages, they are based on numbers, based on fractions, based on money transactions, based on geometrical properties, and based on speed, distance, and time. Okay, now we'll start with the solved examples first. Example number 1. Now what is given into the example? Sum of two numbers is 103. We have to now here take two variables whose sum is 103. If greater number is divided by smaller number, then the quotient is 2 and the remainder is 19. Then find the numbers. Now here we have to mark our variables as greater number and smaller number. Suppose we are taking greater number as x and smaller number as y. Okay, these are our variables. Now what is the first condition? Sum of two numbers is 103. Now our greater number is x and smaller number is y. Okay, it means its sum is 103. That is x plus y is equal to 103. This is our equation number 1. Now what is second condition? If greater number is divided by smaller number, then the quotient is 2 and the remainder is 19. Now we know that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, this we know. So what we'll do? We'll put the values into here. What is our dividend? That is our greater number. So x. Our divisor is y. What is our quotient? It is given into the example itself. That is 2. Plus what is our remainder? That is given into the condition itself. That is 19. Okay. Now we have got x is equal to, we'll simplify this. X is equal to, this is y into 2 is 2y plus 19. So it becomes x this plus 2y becomes minus 2y towards left hand side is equal to 19. So x minus 2y is equal to 19 is our second equation. Okay, now we'll subtract equation number 2 from equation number 1. Okay, what is our equation 2? Equation number, this is equation number 1 minus 2. It's wrong written in your textbook. X plus y is equal to 103 and x minus 2y is equal to 19. We are subtracting. Plus y minus y gets cancelled. We add here y plus 2y, 3y, and 103 minus 19 becomes 84. Now we'll simplify this. This 3 divides towards left hand side. Okay, so we'll simplify this. It becomes y is equal to 28. 28 3s are 84. Now we are having value of y. Now we'll put this value into the equation number 1. So substitute y is equal to 28 in equation number 1. What is our equation number 1? X plus y is equal to 103. X plus y is 28. This plus 28 becomes minus towards right hand side. So x is equal to 103 minus 28. And x is equal to 103 minus 28 becomes 75. Now we are having value of x and y. This is value of x and this is value of y. Okay. So our greater number is 75 and smaller number is 28. This we can check into the equations we have formed with the help of conditions given. That is first equation we have formed by sum of both the numbers is 103. So we have got x as 75 and y as 28. So 75 plus 28 is 103. Means x plus y is equal to 103. That is, we have put values of x and y and we have got 103 as answer. Okay. It means whatever we have got, that is correct. We'll check for second condition. What is second condition? If greater number is divided by smaller number, then the quotient is 2 and remainder is 19. So we'll divide. Our greater number is 75, smaller number is 28. 28 to the 56. We'll subtract this. 75 minus 56 becomes 90. Okay. It means it fulfills second condition also. Means whatever numbers we have got as smaller and greater, they are correct. Just go through the solution. We'll take next example, solved example. Salil's age is 23 years, more than half of the Sangram's age. 5 years ago, the sum of their ages was 55 years. Find their present ages. Now, what is given into the example? Salil's age is 23 years, more than half of the Sangram's age. Now, here we have to consider Salil's age and Sangram's age as any variable. So, we'll take Salil's age as x and Sangram's age as y. First condition is Salil's age is 23 years more than half of the Sangram's age. What is Salil's age? That is x. It is 23 years more than half of the Sangram's age. Sangram's half age is y upon 2 plus 23. Okay, that is 23 years more. So we'll add 23 here. Second condition, 5 years ago, the sum of their ages was 55. So 5 years ago, Salil's age was x minus 5. It is before. So did we subtract 5 from the And same for Sangram's age, y minus 5. Okay, its sum is 55. So what we have to do? We have to add x minus 5 plus y minus 5, that is become 55. Now first box is given in your textbook where you have to write down 23. Okay, then next two boxes are given. The first box is x minus 5 plus second box is y minus 5, that is become 55. Okay, now we'll simplify this equation. This x is equal to y upon 2 plus 23. Okay, now we'll multiply both the sides by 2. So it becomes 2x is equal to y upon 2 into 2. So 2 gets cancelled. I'm writing here plus 23 into 2. This 2 gets cancelled. So 2x is equal to y plus 23 to the 46. This plus y becomes minus towards left hand side. So 2x minus y is equal to 46. This is our equation number 1. Okay, we'll simplify this also. X minus 5 plus y minus 5 is equal to 55. That is x plus y. This minus 5 becomes, will add minus 10. Now this minus 10 becomes plus 10 here towards right hand side. So it becomes x plus y is equal to 65. Okay, this is our equation number 2. Now we'll add both these equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2. That is 2x minus y is equal to 46 plus x plus y is equal to 65. Okay, this minus y plus y cancel. 2x plus x 3x and 46 plus 65 is 111. This 3 divides towards right hand side. Okay, so we can simplify this. 27, sorry, 37 3 is a 111. So value of x is 37. Now we'll put this value into the equation number 2. So substitute x is equal to 37 in equation number 2. Our equation number 2 is x plus y is equal to 65. We'll put value of x as 37 plus y is equal to 65. Now this plus 37 becomes minus 37 towards right hand side. So 65 minus 37. So y is equal to 65 minus 37 becomes 28. Now we have got value of y as 28. Now we have considered x as Salil's age and y as Sangram's age. So value of x is Salil's age and value of y is Sangram's age. Okay. So Salil's age is 37 years and Sangram's age is 28 years. Okay. You can check these values by using the equations we have got, so that you becomes know that whether these values are correct or not. Just go through the solution once. Okay, students. Thank you, everyone. Is there any